another episode of Healthy Eating That Feels Like Cheating, where we're gonna be learning how to make healthy Mexican food recipes that are easy and good for you. Today I'm excited that I'm gonna teach you how to make a very fast and easy immune boosting soup made with mango, jicama, and lots of other ingredients that are gonna boost your immune system so you can be strong and healthy at any time of the year. As you know, Mexican recipes are yummy, but they're not always good for your tummy. I'm gonna try to help you learn how to make Mexican food recipes that are good for weight loss, or if you're at a healthy weight, that are good just for you, are gonna allow you to taste delicious Mexican food while staying healthy. Let me show you what we're gonna be using today. This is a powerful combination of lots of vitamin C and so many antioxidants. Vitamin C is an antioxidant too, and it's something that you need to boost your immune system. They also help you protect your cells from the damage of free radicals, and they protect you from accelerated aging, which I think we all like, right? We have also powerful foods, jicama and onion. The vitamin C loaded and antioxidant rich foods we're gonna use today are oranges. We're going to be using mango. We're going to be using a yellow bell pepper. You can use another color, but I want to keep the color very light and yellow. You're gonna see how beautiful it looks. Let's use some cucumbers. You can use one cucumber or you can use two small ones. I'm also having some lime juice. Lots of vitamin C in lime juice, and also very good for detoxifying from heavy metals. And then we're gonna be using some cilantro to top it off. As far as other things, we have white wine vinegar, which is a vinegar that is gluten-free, and as you know, all the recipes in this channel are gonna be gluten-free, so make sure you use white wine vinegar, and I'm using an organic one. You have red chili flakes or chili powder to season your soup, and then we're gonna be using some sea salt. As far as equipment, it's very simple. You need some powerful knives. We're gonna be using a powerful blender. I'm using this one, which I love. It comes with a large and a small jar. Today I'm using the small jar. You can use a NutriBullet or any other one you have. And then we're gonna be using orange squeezer. This is very, very special. It belongs to my husband, and it was given to him when he was a teenager by his grandmother, who has passed away, many, many years ago, but he still has it and it works. Now I'm gonna give you a link on where to buy one in today's world. And if you don't wanna have one like this, which is very easy, you can use orange squeezer. This is great. I'll also give you a link. And probably it's better idea to have a lime squeezer. I always like things that are gonna make our life easier. So are you ready to get started with the immune boosting recipe? It's just such a healthy soup and great for your immune system. Let me show you. Never to peel too much of the onion, because a lot of the health properties are on the outside layers. So now it's time for delicious. More vitamin C. Again, this is very old, but you can buy a new one. But this is very special. I mean, imagine for my husband's grandmother. It looks ancient. Some jicama cubes. This will add a nice consistency when you're tasting the soup. You can also add cucumber cubes. Then we'll add some chili powder or chili flakes, whatever you like better. So now it's the tasting time, my favorite time. I'm gonna be tasting this easy, delicious soup that's gonna help me boost my immune system and yours too. It is really good, and one of the things that could even make it even better is if you put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. You can spice it up more. The jicama, I love it. I love everything that is crunchy. So the crunchiness when I'm tasting it, I love it. So I really hope you give it a try. Now you see how easy it is to make healthy Mexican food, especially these healthy soup that will boost your immune system. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe so you can watch all the upcoming videos. Until next time.